Becoming a successful YouTuber in 2023 requires dedication, creativity, and persistence. Here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Choose your niche. Select a niche you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will help you create engaging content that resonates with your target audience. 2. Content quality. Focus on producing high-quality content with good audio, visuals, and storytelling. Invest in good equipment and editing software. 3. Consistent upload schedule. Stick to a consistent upload schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community around your channel. 5. SEO and keywords. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve discoverability. 6. Collaborations. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to expand your reach and gain new subscribers. 7. Social media promotion. Utilize social media platforms to promote your videos and engage with your audience outside of YouTube. 8. Study trends. Stay up. Date with current trends and topics to create relevant and timely content. 9. Thumbnail and title. Create attention, grabbing thumbnails and titles that accurately represent the content of your videos. 10. Analyze analytics. Regularly review your YouTube analytics to understand what's working and what's not, and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Remember, success takes time. Be patient, adapt to changes, and continuously work on improving your content and engagement strategies.